guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. A long time ago I showed you guys how to make pulled pork, and not so long ago I made some pulled pork and froze it down for some other dishes, and today I'm going to use some of that pulled pork for some delicious Julia style enchiladas. So let's get started. My oven is at 180 degrees C convection oven, or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. On a tortilla, I'm going to smear lots of sour cream. Then on with a good portion of my pulled pork. Some sweet corn. Chopped red onion, and some chopped bell pepper. Now it's just all about rolling it and folding in the edges, because I want to have enough space for 10 of these delicious tortillas in my tin. Just do this with all of your tortillas. In a tray or in my tin, I have my tin tortillas, and in the stores here in Denmark we don't have enchilada sauce, so today I'm just going to use some tomato sauce. But if you have enchilada sauce in the stores, or if you want to make your own, then please use that instead of tomato sauce. But just add the sauce on top and smear it out nicely. Last of these on with lots of cheddar cheese and lots of mozzarella cheese. I had a lot of cheese that I needed to use today, so that's why I'm adding on so much cheese, because I didn't want to throw it out. But if you don't like so much cheese, you can easily cut the portion in half. This tray is ready to go into the oven for around 18 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and the top is nice and golden brown. After that, these are ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Ingredients are down below, as always. Bye!